Finally, a more efficient solution for cutting in close quarters. Introducing the new 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Compact Recipro Saw, featuring an exclusive dual-position switch for maximum versatility. The powerful Makita motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute with a half-inch length stroke, which is ideal for cutting PVC, copper pipe, conduit, and more. It has a compact size and weighs only 3.9 pounds for convenient operation. This fast-cutting saw also has superior ergonomics with an exclusive dual-position on-off switch that allows for either paddle or trigger switch operation. Additional features include a built-in LED light for increased visibility and a rubberized soft grip. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.